Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia and today I'm going to be doing a quick cleanup of Riley's playroom. I feel like no matter how often I clean this room, it ends up being a disaster in minutes. So I'm going to clean this up while she is taking a nap, and then I'm also going to be sharing with you how I made over her play kitchen. I get questions from you guys all the time, so I'm going to share with you just how easy it was to do it. Every time I clean up this room, I feel like there are new toys added every single time, and I am currently working on trying to figure out the best way to organize everything, because before you know it, toys can literally take over your whole entire house, and I really just want to figure out the best way or best system to maximize the space and also make sure to keep all of her toys organized. So definitely make sure you are subscribed and stick around, because I will be sure to share with you all of my different tips and tricks.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure.
As I was cleaning up, I saw that there is a spot right on one of the carpet tiles, and it's actually this silly putty that Riley has been playing with nonstop. So I'm gonna try and use the Dollar Tree LA's Totally Awesome to see if I can get that out. If I cannot, thankfully we have at least one more tile square left, and I'm just going to try and replace it. So let's see if this dollar store product will do the trick. It's pretty good with everything else. Otherwise, again, like I said, I will just try and replace it with another tile, so at least to keep the area like looking clean.
Covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that now, no, it's no more, no.
Thankfully, I was able to get that stain out because I ended up finding other stains on the carpet as well, and we only have one more extra carpet piece left, I believe. I'll have to go check the garage because I hope we might have kept at least one more box in case there are other like slip ups and all that stuff. But that's the good thing about having like tile carpet. You can always just easily replace them. But now on to my favorite part, which I'm pretty sure all of you guys have been waiting for, is the complete transformation of Riley's play kitchen. So this play kitchen was actually given to us, and because it was so not my style, I knew I wanted to do a complete makeover. So I went on Pinterest and found a couple of different ideas. I started off by taping off any area that I did not want to spray paint, and then I went in with this like cool tone neutral gray that would go with literally anything. So I went in and started spray painting the entire thing. I probably used about 4 or 5 cans worth of this stuff because I did have to do about 3 different coats.
It's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about us. You know it's not about.
Once everything had dried, I then went in and sanded anything down. There were a couple areas that had cracks, and I'm not sure if it was because of the weather or maybe just the actual wood itself. So once I finished doing that, you could see a little bit of the pink through. So I went back in and also spray painted those areas along with everything inside. So you do see some pink right here, but eventually when I was completely done, I had spray painted every single inch of this kitchen.
Think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the coal, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about.
Now moving on to all of the accessories like the faucet and the little knobs and stuff. So originally I went in with this silver, but then after putting it on the kitchen, I just thought it was like too much silver. So I did end up going in with like more of a bronzy gold, which you guys will see later on in the video.
My bad temper, what am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it.
For her backsplash, I really wanted something colorful and girly, so I picked up this wrapping paper from the Target Dollar Spot, and all I did was use E6000 glue and an X-Acto knife to apply that onto the back. And for the countertops, I really wanted to do like a faux marble, so I picked up this contact paper from my local Home Depot, and literally it was the easiest thing to do. You peel the back off and stick it on top.
Be
then went in with a box cutter to cut out where the sink would go. And because her countertop did have a curve to it, I wasn't able to just like fold over the edges. So what I did was I used a hairdryer which warmed up the glue on the back, which then allowed me to almost mold the contact paper, and it gave me that like seamless look, which you guys will see shortly.
Coming to get you, coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. I feel
Here is where you can see the bronze color that I ended up going with for the stovetop burners. And then all I'm doing was punching a bunch of holes because we did put that contact paper in, so I can't really see where the holes go, so I can screw it into the countertop.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright.
I am completely obsessed with the way this turned out. Riley was so happy once she saw this, and we literally played with this every single day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in a couple days in another video.